Hey guys, it's Girl Moya. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So welcome back to my channel, guys, and today, as the title suggests, I'll be dyeing my hair black. So I'm used to dyeing my hair in all different colors on my channel, but this time I decided that I'm gonna go back black. To dye my hair, I'll be using this product right here, and it's a black hair shampoo. It's literally just a shampoo. You just wash your hair like normal, rub this in it, leave it for like a few minutes, and I have my phone right here, so I'll be watching like some YouTube videos in the meantime of my hair just doing its thing and getting ready to like wash out. So yeah. Oh, before we get into it, let me tell you about the other products that I'm using. I also have, so the products I'll be using today is from the Shea Moisture brand. Don't know if you guys can see that, hopefully you can, and it's the green coconut and activated charcoal. This one is their purifying hydrating light conditioner with white tea and lemon balm, and it's used to soften and moisturize your hair. This one is their purifying and hydrating shampoo with white tea and lemon balm, and it's said to cleanse and balance your hair. So yeah, it's my first time using these. I thought because it has the charcoal, that would be super good for my hair. My hair is getting pretty dry. It's pretty cold outside. It's pretty much winter. So this right here, I'm just hoping that this really makes my hair feel soft and hydrated. So hey. So in one of my videos, I did use a product like this, or this product, I'm not quite sure, but I'll be using. The time that I did use it, I used the one and it was for half of my hair, so this time I'll be using two. And I already have my gloves on, so yeah. The reason why I'm shampooing my hair again after using this is because I don't know how this is gonna make my hair feel. So if it makes it feel a little bit dry, then that should be able to like hydrate it a bit. So let's get into it. And my bathroom door is a little messy, so don't watch that. Debris in the bathroom because I need something to pass the time, but that's a better look. So you can see that side is like white, well that side is brown. I just have to mix them together. Alright, so this was looking like currently. As you can see, most of it is black on black. Hopefully the back is done. I can't see that, but hopefully it is. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna wash this bad boy out. Alright, so it's been a few minutes, and also the vent is running, if you guys can hear that. But it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. Like I said, I'll be using my Shea Moisture green coconut and activated charcoal. And ooh, it's gonna get black because of my mask. I hate seeing my stuff look ugly, but oh, my gloves, not my mask. But it's gonna get black, but whatever. So I actually took out the conditioner. This is what I'm going to be using right now. And it's the shampoo with the green coconut and activated charcoal. Then after, I'll use the conditioner. What was I thinking, girl? So let me just pause, breathe. So my hair has been washed. I washed it I shampooed it like 3 times just so I could make sure that the black dye is out of my hair. So I wanted like my third coat of shampoo to be absolutely white and not black, so that's what I did. That's why I washed it 3 times. And now I'm gonna just go in with the conditioner, and also have my little brush there. Ooh. Actually, not really a big fan of these pumping things because they're so hard to pump, just because the formula is so a little bit thick and a little bit, you know, it's a little bit thick, so it's a little bit hard to pump. Guys, I actually think black hair makes me look a little bit more innocent. It makes me look a little bit more young too. Like, I could probably pass for a child. Alright, so I don't think you guys need to see this part of my video. I already have it in another like wash with me. It's very similar to this video, so I'm gonna just brush this out and I'll show you how my hair look when I get out of the shower. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's nice and dark and black, and it's pretty much right through, I believe. Can't see the back fully, but I'm pretty sure, I'd like to be sure that I got all areas of my hair. Don't mind my stretch mark. My skin is like bursting, literally bursting. But yeah, and that's what happened when you're in freaking quarantine. The side of my hair, as you can see, it's a little bit shorter than this side. So I think I'm gonna cut this side to match with this side so that everything can just grow and be even and all of that, because some of this side did fall off and I had to cut some off, but it is whatever. I'm gonna just cut this side to match it up and everything should be good from there. But yeah, this wasn't a tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys that I was doing my hair, like making my hair black rather than probably red or purple or whatever. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.